my god. Price the dime. Oh my god. Oh my god. Price the dime. Price the dime.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ThePAiRANORMAL, back with another custom video. Today we're going to be working on some Air Jordan 1s using a Martian Manhunter theme. And the crazy thing about this custom is there's going to be 3 different ways for you to change the color of the paint. We're going to have cold sensitive, we're going to have UV sensitive, as well as heat sensitive. Guys, stick through this entire video because you don't want to miss. I promise it's going to be the craziest video you've ever seen coming out of Paranormal. And there's many great things to come. So without any further ado,
into the paranormal.
first up, we gotta get rid of these laces as well as the lace bags there. Off camera, we put down our adhesion promoter after acetoning the shoes. Now we're moving into laying down a base coat of white.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
I'm going to lay in our stencil pieces. Our stencil pieces laid down. We're moving to taping off the midsole as well as our sole. Now we're going to move into the next step, which is laying in the background. But since we're using color changing paint, we're going to go ahead and mix up. You have to use a 1-to-1 ratio, which is 1 gram of the solar color dust to 1 ounce of Angelus neutral paint. And also, since it's recommended to use an airbrush with these, you want to use Angelus Too Thin to thin out the paint so it'll go easily through your airbrush. Gotta mix it well and make sure you get all those clumps out of it so it'll go through easily through the airbrush. Now using a strainer, we're going to put the paint into the airbrush. It's very important in case you have any leftover clumps. The strainer will help to get them out. Now we can start laying in the first layer of our galaxy.
Bryce the Dawn. Oh my god. Oh my God, Bryce the Dawn, Bryce the Dawn. Oh my God, oh my God. Bryce the Dawn. Oh my God. Oh my God, Bryce the Dawn, Bryce the Dawn. Oh my God, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
As we move into the next step of finishing up our background, we're going to remove these stencils to knock out the meteors and asteroids around the shoes.
It's like Bryce the Dawn.
Okay, let's see. Where did I mess up? Alright, I asked them. Okay. Take it this let's see here. So I asked them to like. Oh, that's 3. I asked them to comment. That's 3. Oh, this might be it. This might be where they. I messed up. I asked them to subscribe is free. Turn on post notifications. That's it. Let's see. No, that's free too. That's free. Gosh darn it, God. All right, it's free. Oh man. It's free. Look. It's free. Now we're moving into the next step, which is to go ahead and start working on Martian Manhunter. First, we're going to lay down the base colors and then move in with his actual skin colors and clothing colors. We're going to highlight him as well.
Like Bryce the Dawn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Price the dime. Price the dime. Oh my god. Oh my god. Price the dime. Oh my god. Oh my god. Price the dime. Price the dime. Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn. It's like Bryce the Dawn.
Now we're going to move into the next step is where we're working on the tongue of the shoe. Midsole dye that I've been using is from Remix Your Kicks. Highly recommend it. We've applied it after prepping up the midsoles. Next we're going to put the alcohol, wipe away the excess, and show you guys what it look like afterwards. Now we're going to lay in the paint sealant before putting in the laces and showing you guys the final product.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
And here's your final product. Yes, sir. These joints came out looking crazy. Show you guys kind of how these color changes work. We got cold, got hot, and we have UV activated. It's a little cloudy outside. We're gonna see if it changes.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. Like I said at the beginning, this custom came out looking crazy. Martian Manhunter, one of my favorite DC comic heroes, let alone favorite heroes. 3 ways of changing the color on these shoes. It goes crazy, and I wish you guys could see it in person. As always, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to continue to keep putting out content. And let's go ahead and get to the motivational quote. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. That's been a motivational quote. Thank you guys, as always, for your continued support. Spread the word. Continue to help me to grow this page, grow this channel, so that one day, you know, I can start doing more giveaways and just really pumping out content. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Oh my god, oh my god. Bryce Bryce the Dawn.